Good morning, my fellow day traders, guys. So we're currently in a trade right now. I kind of did forget to do the intro before I ended up trading. So with all that being said, let's get right to the video and let's show you guys this trade. Let's get right to it. All right, guys, so we're gonna take a break and retest here on AMD. I'm gonna show you guys the sauce setup here on a higher time frame. Let's go on the hourly time frame to show you guys exactly why we're taking puts here. You can see it's a little bit of a rejection, not even a little bit, it is a rejection of this big zone here. You can see a nice breakdown to this downside level. So we're gonna enter some puts, same week expirations, and just hold it as best we can, guys, and target a fat price target. That's what we wanna do. We don't wanna make a small gain today. We wanna try to shoot for a decent price target. Let's just say, I don't know, 91.31 looks pretty decent. So let's shoot for 91.31. And now let's go on a 15-minute time frame, and you guys can see a nice breakdown and a retest of this general area. Definitely could have caught a better retest at open or towards open. Usually I'm not a trader that trades first 15 minutes, but guys, we're in this one and this thing's going crazy now. We're already at 5%. That's nice. Guys, 15%. We're gonna do our absolute best. We're currently seeing a nice 12% here. But we're gonna try our absolute best, guys, to hold it as best as we can. Now, yesterday we did take a loss of about 10%, and I can collect here for a small 10% gain to recover what I lost. But again, that's just a tug of war. There's no point in doing that. We want to make sure we can try to hold to our price target, which in this case, guys, is at least a $90 gain. Guys, currently pushing up major here with the whole market, and I'm currently down more than I would like to, which is about 20%. 19% here, $55 on a single trade. Now, of course, that's more than I would actually like, to be honest. We're gonna try to see if this thing is gonna reject first, because I don't mind taking a little bit of a $60, $80 loss. I'm putting it on pause for now since we're already at 30 minutes. So guys, we just got clapped on AMD puts here. Now we're going to quickly go over my TradeZella since it's the end of the week and end of the month as well. And we're going to go over my orders and my brokerage. So show you guys the trades that we literally just took to show you guys it's not cap. We live traded one of them and did not live trade the second one. The first trade that we live traded you guys saw was AMD. So I don't need to go over it. You guys saw the massive L I took, which was over 20%, about 22%, I believe, for a nice $65 loss. You guys can see here, $65 loss right there. And then I took a SPY position call for $92, sold at 106, and they're still going crazy actually. So probably could have, would have, should have held them. But again, guys, this is my live account. You guys can see now the screenshot. And again, I'm down $51 on the day on this single trade here, or on both of these trades here, and it reflects perfectly in my TradeZella report here as well. But overall, I'm up over $510 on this week, which isn't too crazy. I will admit that this week was an unprofitable week. As you can see, practically every single month is always end of the week is actually always profitable, except this week here. So unfortunately, this week here was an unprofitable week. There is my daily net cumulative PnL, which is probably one of my favorite things to see. You can see I do have a massive pullback here, so theoretically should be another pump day on next week. But with all that being said, guys, we took an L on AMD trying to go short there. Unfortunately, it just did not go in our favor, which I'll show you guys. Because guys, look at AMD. Look at that perfect short position. Nice rejection there on the left side of this zone. When we hit this area, it rejected. Then we bounced there. Then here we are breaking down below. So I tried to capture the retest, but unfortunately, I done got clapped, guys. So it is what it is. Learning lesson for me, learning week for me. But we at least ended the month profitable. So this is how our April's looking, and that's pretty much what it is. So a little bit of a learning lesson for me this week. Now, there are a couple things. Probably trading next week expirations instead of trying to trade this week expirations. Cause I did do a little bit of trading this week expirations. I even traded SPY this week on a next day expiration, deep in the money, but even then the pullbacks were about 20%. So I'm having more fun enjoying the next week expirations like I have been doing. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to go back to that. But even then as well, learning lessons this past 2 weeks, this whole month has been a learning lesson, and I need to honestly just risk it, guys, because I be holding myself back. Every time I see a nice 20% gain, I just collect it, and every single time they end up going even more. And then the times where I don't collect the 20% gain to try to shoot for more, they end up going back on me. But of course, that's what everybody always says, and all it is just a very simple tweak, and that's all I need to do. I just need to hold it. I'm going to hold every single trade, whether I hit 20%, and just try to hit a nice good gain. So with all that being said, guys, I hope you guys had an awesome month. I hope you guys had an awesome week, and I hope you guys were able to kill it just like me. And if you guys have any questions or need any further help, best believe, guys, in the Discord, we'd be going live and helping anybody that needs help with any further questions with trading, whether it's trade setups, trading style, trade breakdowns, or trade recaps. We're here for you guys. Just join the premium Discord, use premium code at the coupon discount, and you guys will get 25% off. Now, with all that being said, guys, I hope you guys had an awesome day, and I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog.